Switching gears, Dale Carnegie is offering you a chance to attend a half-day seminar on how to strengthen your first impression and develop an effective personal branding statement. It's called the Network to Build Your Brand with the Birmingham Business Journal. We've got Miss Nancy here to tell us all about it. Welcome to you.
Thank you.
First of all, so tell me about this program.
Sure. Well, business people of all walks of life have opportunities to network, and it's not just for salespeople. But if you think about it, people recommend you for jobs based on getting to know you and having an authentic relationship. And in sales, people want to do business with you based on the authentic relationships you've built. So a lot of salespeople and other business professionals avoid networking events because they don't know how to handle it. So this event will help people understand who to talk to and what to say. So we will work on some things like how to walk up to a total stranger and start an authentic conversation. If they are talking with someone else, how do you bust in? And when you've talked with them long enough, how do you get out? And those things take a lot of grace and poise. We'll also work on how do you make connections and share business strategies and talk about where people are growing so that we can be connectors, because we know that being able to connect is a skill that helps other people succeed. So if you can connect someone with someone else to help them both mutually benefit, then they're going to see you as a business resource.
And you mentioned a couple times the authentic. I think that's so important because you can have a good, bubbly, like, haha personality,
right,
but if it's not authentic, people will see right through it.
Absolutely. And a lot of people think, especially salespeople, think that the networking events are to go and to sell a product. And so they go and they try and push their product, and that really turns people off, and it gives them a bad reputation. So we work on building the relationship first and then taking it to the business step.
So when they walk away, you're really giving them tools to put in their warehouse, so to speak.
Absolutely.
To use in their business or maybe even personal dealings.
Yeah. We will definitely work on different types of tools. So conversation tools, also how to remember people's names, because when you're in a networking situation and you just introduced yourself, they've given you the most important piece of information for follow-up, and that is their name. And so we're going to use Mr. Carnegie's foundational principles for remembering people's names and practice the skills so that we can recall their name. And that's really important for building an authentic relationship. You can't follow up if you don't know their name.
That is a good point. If they can't attend the seminar, you guys have other things that they can take advantage of, right?
Yes, we sure do. In the summer, June 1st, 8th, and 15th, we're offering our 3-day sales program, and it's called Winning with Relationship Selling, because Mr. Carnegie believed that relationships are the most important parts of sales. And so we'll work on the sales process as well as networking skills and helping people to make those authentic sales contacts as well.
How can people get more information? How do they follow you guys?
Well, you can follow us on our website, which is dalecarnegie.com/Birmingham, or you can also reach us at 205-444-5011.
Okay, the information there at the bottom of your screen. And in closing, quickly, the dates again.
April 26th in partnership with the Birmingham Business Journal, and it's from 8:30 till 11 a.m.
Thank you so much. And if you can't take part of that, June.
Call us.
Call us. Just call them. That's what you should do. Thank you so much for being here, Nancy.
Thanks, Nicole. Good to see you
again. We appreciate it. Don't go far. More TOA headed your way after this quick commercial break.